Detailed review of the Kangen Leveluk water purifier. Water is an essential part of our lives, and it's essential that we drink clean and healthy water. One of the most popular ways to ensure that your drinking water is pure and healthy is by using a water filtration system. One such system is the Kangen Leveluk water filtration system. In this article, we'll be taking a detailed look at this water filtration system and evaluating its features, benefits, and drawbacks. First, let's start with the basics. The Kangen Leveluk is a water filtration system that uses a process called electrolysis to filter and alkalize the water. The system is designed to remove impurities and contaminants from the water, such as chlorine, lead, and bacteria. It also adds minerals to the water to make it healthier and more alkaline. One of the biggest advantages of the Kangen Leveluk is that it produces water with a high pH level. The system can produce water with a pH level ranging from 2.5 to 11.5, which means that you can use it for a variety of purposes. For example, you can use the highly acidic water to clean and disinfect surfaces, and you can use the highly alkaline water for drinking and cooking. Another advantage of the Kangen Leveluk is that it's easy to use. The system comes with a user-friendly interface that allows you to adjust the pH level of the water with just a few clicks. The system also has a self-cleaning function that ensures that it's always working at its best. When it comes to the drawbacks of the Kangen Leveluk, one of the main issues is the cost. The system is relatively expensive, which means that it might not be a feasible option for everyone. Additionally, the system requires regular maintenance to ensure that it's working properly, which can also be costly. Another potential drawback of the Kangen Leveluk is that some people have reported experiencing digestive issues after drinking the alkaline water produced by the system. While this is a rare occurrence, it's something to keep in mind if you have a sensitive stomach. Let's dive deeper into the features and benefits of the Kangen Leveluk water filtration system. One of the standout features of this system is its ability to produce Kangen water, which is a type of alkaline water that is said to have health benefits. Kangen water has a higher pH level than regular tap water, and it's also rich in minerals like calcium and magnesium. The Kangen Leveluk has several different settings that allow you to customize the pH level of the water to your liking. For example, you can choose a pH level of 8.5 for drinking water or a pH level of 9.5 for cooking and cleaning. The system also has a beauty water setting that produces water with a pH level of 6.0, which is said to be beneficial for the skin. Another benefit of the Kangen Leveluk is that it's eco-friendly. The system reduces the amount of plastic waste that is generated from bottled water, and it also uses less energy than traditional water filtration systems. This makes it a good option for those who are looking to reduce their environmental impact. The Kangen Leveluk is also easy to install. The system comes with all the necessary components and instructions, and most people can set it up themselves in a matter